Hello, Asalam O Alaikum to all of you guys. I hope you all are fine. Guys, today we are basically proceeding forward to discuss a topic that is regarding the future, the topic that is hidden. We don't know that how will this react, and there will be a multiple amount of questions in your mind when you are gonna listen this video. The topic is USB and the future of USB. What will be the future? There are multiple questions arising that may USB be replaced. If it's getting replaced, in how much time will it be replaced? The device that will be replacing USB, will it be a software or a hardware? What are the reasons of its replacement? We are going to discuss in this video. First of all, we should know that what is USB. It's simple definition: the commonly used device that is a hardware basically that is used to attach or store anything to your desktop computer, your laptop, and in many cases your mobile phone. Particularly for mobile phones and small electronic devices and even some old laptop models, new laptop models, USB port C is now coming up. A and B is getting diminished and C is basically coming up as the most common USB port because it is the most efficient one, the most reliable one. It contains a very efficient power delivery system for recharging your device batteries. And nowadays, whenever you book a hotel room, the management of the hotel provides you multiple USB ports, which includes C ports or B ports in your room so that you can recharge your portable devices, your mobile phones, your laptops. So this is telling you that nowadays USB is not getting replaced, but there are two reasons why it may replace. Number one, the most common is edge computing or cloud computing, cloud storage. Cloud storage is replacing the physical storage. Nowadays we are using a device, a hardware that will be used to input the data. But cloud computing, cloud storage is basically a form of input. It's an input form. You cannot touch cloud computing, you cannot feel, you cannot move it like you do with USB. So cloud computing is replacing physical storage. This is the first reason why USB can replace. Cloud computing will be used, or cloud storage will be used to store your data. What USB is doing, cloud storage or computing will do. Then it is number two reason that much of the technology we take for granted. Much of the technology we take for granted, like floppy disks in the past, or CDs, DVDs, cassettes, tape records, we have taken it for granted, we have relied on them, and now they are nowhere. Same goes for USB. These are two reasons why USB can get a replacement form, why it may replace itself from cloud storage, why cloud storage may arise. Now coming up on that, when will it be replaced? In 5 years time. In 5 years time, not within, it's in. Maybe it can take more, 6 years, 7 years, but in 5 years time. Within means before 5 years. But we are here discussing that in 5 years time. Maybe it can be 10 years as well, but this is a fact that USB will get a replacement and cloud storage, cloud computing will come, cloud edge computing. We have discussed in the previous videos a couple of months ago. This will be replacement. This will be replaced. So finally, I guess that concluding our debate for today, it's an image, and it's a confirmed image, that USB will get a replacement form. It will include itself in a phase of replacement, and the software which will be coming up instead of USB, it's cloud storage. Means there is no need of any hardware device or something like that. Cloud storage, and it will be more faster, more efficient. So guys, if you have any suggestions regarding our videos, kindly give us in the comment box below. If you want any new topic from our side to be discussed, you can tell us on the comment box. Feel free to tell us over there. Kindly subscribe, press the bell icon for more updates, like our video, and thank you for watching.